In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to Shopify, create categories, allow comments, and add your blog to your store navigation. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Content and click on that. Under Content, choose Blog Posts. This is where all of your existing blog posts will appear. If you already have some posts created, you'll see them listed here. If it's empty, that just means you're starting fresh, which is perfectly fine. To create a new post, click on Add Blog Post. At the top, enter a clear and descriptive title for your post. This is what your customers will see, so make it something that reflects the topic. Next, edit the main content area with the text, images, and links you want to include. Take your time to format it in a way that's easy to read. Before you move on, check the visibility settings. If you want customers to see this post right away, set the visibility to visible. If you're still working on it and don't want it live yet, keep it as hidden. You can also add a featured image to visually represent your post on your blog page. Further down, you can organize your post by selecting the author and choosing which blog it belongs to, if you have more than one. To create categories, use tags. For example, you might add tags like marketing, tips, or tutorial. Later, these tags can help customers filter and find related content. Once you're happy with your post, click Save. Now, let's set up the blog itself and control comments. Go back to the blog post section and look for the Manage Blogs button, usually near the top right. Click that. Here, you can either select an existing blog or click Add Blog to make a new one. For a new blog, give it a title such as Blog or News. If you want to improve how your blog appears in search engines, click the pencil icon next to the search engine listing preview. Here you can edit the page title, meta description, and URL handle. Keep these relevant and clear. Under the comments section, choose how you want to handle comments: disabled, allowed with moderation, or fully allowed. Moderation is a good option if you want to review comments before they appear. When you're done, click Save. Finally, let's add your blog to your store's navigation so visitors can find it easily. Again, on the left-hand panel, under Content, click Menus. From your list of menus, select your main menu, which is usually the one that appears at the top of your store. Click Add Menu Item. Enter a name, like Blog or News. In the link field, click the box, choose Blogs from the drop-down, then select the blog you just configured. When everything looks good, click Save. Your blog is now created, organized, has its comment settings in place, and is linked right in your main navigation for customers to access.